Let's talk about reservations. Reservations help you save money by prepaying for your resources for 1 year or 3 years. The resources can be virtual machines, SQL databases, or other Azure resources like Cosmos DB. Prepaying for the resources allows you to get a discount on the resources that you use. Let's see how you can reserve for the resources in Azure. To get to the reservation section, all you gotta do is click on the search box and type reservations there. Once you're there, just click on the add button and you'll land up in a section where you'll be asked to choose a particular resource. You can choose between the following resources available here, but this is all subject to time because Microsoft Azure is continuously innovating and they will continue to add new resources here. But let's say at this point I would like to reserve a virtual machine for 3 years. So I'm going to select a virtual machine here, and then you need to start picking up the following fields. So let's say I want to add a particular region. So I will say region, and then the region is, let's say, East US. I will also select the term as 1 year. Let's say I want to reserve it only for 1 year. And then the billing frequency can be selected under filters. So I'll say billing frequency is upfront. I can also choose to select a particular operating system here, which is available under all products. What I have now is the values based on the filters that I've selected here. I've got recommended sections as well. So I can choose, let's say, a standard B12MS. It's a BS series. I get 12 CPUs. I get 12 vCPUs and 48 gigs of memory. Okay, I'll select that for demonstration purposes and let that calculate the cost for me. Once I'm done, I'll just click on select. So as I scroll to the right, I will now be able to see the total estimate of that virtual machine. Now looks like it is 4,806 euros. Now this is what the cost is, and then I should be paying that upfront, and I'm getting 62% discount on the current pricing. For testing purposes, you can go ahead and take the same specifications of the virtual machine, put that in the Azure pricing calculator, and see what cost you get for running a virtual machine for 3 years. All right, I'll not click on review or buy here because it's going to be directly added up to my billing. So this is just for demonstration and tell you that there is something called as reservations. You do not have to always pay as you go. You can reserve your virtual machines and prepay upfront for 1 year or 3 years for various resources that you have in Azure, including virtual machines, SQL databases, Azure Cosmos DB, and all other resources that you see on the screen. Prepaying will allow you to get discount on the resources that you use. So reservations can get a significant discount for various resources, and then you can get up to 72% on pay as you go prices. So that's what reservations are used for.